Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Priyam with me today. A perfect 90 each in PT and that too in her first attempt after the classes. Congratulations, Priyam. Very well done.
Hi, Varun. Thank you.
Priyam, very first thing, you were aiming for 8 each. Everyone else out there is aiming for 8 each, but you have got a perfect score. You can't really score more than this. A perfect 90. Priyam, what do you think is the secret behind a perfect 90?
So basically, I would say that it's very important to have the right strategies, and along with that, you should work hard. So a
Hmm.
combination of proper guidance and hard work will take you to 90. It will take anyone to 90.
That's
So that's my secret.
That's right. That's right. Very important golden point. You need to work hard, but you need to work hard in the right direction and you need to have proper guidance because if you're just working hard, but you don't really know what you're doing right and what you are messing up, you are going to struggle a bit. Priyam, reading was one of section you were finding slightly difficult. A lot of students out there, they also struggle with reading. What are your tips and what is your advice if someone is struggling in reading section?
So basically, I had appeared for four PT exams before this one, but I was
Hmm.
not going to any of the classes.
Hmm.
So apart from reading, I would also like to talk about how important it is for you to know how to, place the mic.
Hmm.
Because two of my attempts gone waste because of the positioning of the mic.
Hmm.
And so, yeah, there were other two attempts. Initially, I made it to 88 in listening and writing, and then somehow I moved on to like 89 in speaking, and
Hmm.
that too was because of your video, Varun.
Yeah.
But yeah, I found that I was at 76 in reading, and that was something I was not able to help.
Hmm.
And then somehow I met one of my friends on the way, and he told me that why don't you try Language Academy? So that was a time when I had lost all my hope. Like
Hmm.
I won't be able to do PT. It's not my cup of tea
Hmm.
because it hurts when you appear for the exam
Yeah.
four times. Maybe due to one or the other reason you're not able to make it.
Yeah.
So then I joined the classes, and what I observed is that every day I used to go for the speaking mock test also,
Hmm.
and I did need help in speaking because you can practice yourself when you get the right tips.
Hmm.
But watching videos, and self study may not help you completely sometimes
Yes.
because the trainers of an academy may be able to help you how to correct your mistakes, and
Correct.
basically you will not be knowing what is wrong with you,
Hmm.
what is right. So your positives and negatives are included as part of feedback from the trainers. So this is what
Hmm.
I observed. Now coming to reading, yeah, of course speaking did impact my reading. As you know, read alouds, they play a major role in your reading material.
Correct.
In reading, I was basically giving weightage on the wrong type of questions. I should not say wrong, but yeah,
Hmm.
there are some questions that do not carry more marks.
Yeah.
And if you focus more on those questions, obviously you're
Hmm.
not going to make it up to 79 plus.
Hmm.
So in this duration or a short span of when I attended the classes, I
Hmm.
realized what I should be focusing more on and
Hmm.
where I should be giving more of my time for preparation.
That's it.
So yeah, then I got the right tips and I realized that yeah, fill in the blanks, reading and writing are very, very important. I was not
Hmm.
giving much focus to it earlier.
Hmm.
And I prepared, I practiced. I was like, um, while I was at home, I never used to practice this much because after we pass our college, it's not easy for us
Yeah.
to, go with that schedule of
Hmm.
studying and all.
Hmm.
So one advantage of coming to the classes was that I used to constantly practice,
Hmm.
especially on Saturdays. I used to give more than 2 hours and get feedback from the tutors.
That's right.
So yeah, in short, as we discussed, there are two
Hmm.
ingredients to it. It's proper guidance and hard
Hmm.
work.
That's right.
So a combination of that helped me.
That's right. One thing which I take out of your journey, Priyam, is that reading is not just about working hard, it's more about working smartly as well. You need to know what are the things which are important, what are the tasks you don't really need to focus on. For example, you don't really need to worry much about MCQs. If you waste a lot
That's
of
right.
time over there, you're going to struggle in your reading. And even if you mess your reading MCQs, you can get your score. But if you mess up your reading blanks, you're going to struggle. plus mic position and read aloud. Very, very crucial, because reading is going to get a lot of score from speaking. Speaking is going to contribute around 25 to 30 points. And if your mic position is not in the right manner, the mic is not placed in the correct place, you are going to struggle a bit. Mic position plus smart work are the two ingredients of success in reading. Priyam, final thing, you have taken a lot of mock tests. I remember you have taken a lot of feedback on the mock tests you have taken. How important are mock tests when it comes to the PTE exam?
Mock tests are really very important. So this is another thing that I had been missing on in my earlier attempts. So I came for the classes for 3 weeks, Varun, as you know that. So every day I used to take up one mock test for speaking, and I took around 3 mock tests over Sundays. So after every mock test, the trainers will be chasing you to give a feedback, which is the best thing about the classes. It's because I do remember one day I was, I had some work and I was going out, and Varun just came behind me and he said, "Where are you going? Did you get your feedback done?" So this is something good about the classes, that the trainers are actually more concerned about students' performance by giving them feedback. So earlier, I did not know what I was good at and what I was bad at. So after getting feedback for the mock test, especially the full mock test, it helped me to understand what I need to actually work upon, or maybe what I need to actually work upon more on. Feedbacks are really important.
That's good. So basically you get a clear picture of where you stand, what mistakes you're likely to make if you go and sit for the exam. Very, very important, as Priyam has mentioned, to get a perfect 90, not A teach. We're talking about perfect 90. You need to do something more. You need to make sure you work hard, but in the right direction. Seek feedback. You need to seek help. You need to ask for feedback, and you have to make sure you take a lot of mock tests. Congratulations once again, Priyam. All the very best.
Thank you, Varun.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you do not give up. As she mentioned, she missed out in PT 3 to 4 times, but that was not because of lack of hard work, but lack of the direction. You need to make sure you work hard in the right direction. You're working hard, but if your way or your direction is not right, you're not going to get that much of the result. Make sure your guidance is proper, your direction is right, and you are using the right strategies and taking a lot of mock tests plus getting the feedback, and you are going to get a perfect 90 as well. That's it from this video. I'll see you very soon.